Hey guys, today's video is going to be a skincare haul. If you follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, you should, I leave my Instagram down below, but if you follow me on there, you know that I have been pretty open about my skin troubles over the past couple months. I have been experiencing skin issues like hormonal acne, cystic acne, congestion where you get all those little bumps, so I have a lot of texture. I've also been experiencing dull skin, dry patches, and my skin right now is just a huge hot mess, and I finally got to a point where I decided that I needed to completely change my skincare regimen 100%. So we're not messing around in 2018. Most of these products are high-end, but I did purchase a couple products on the drugstore side. You guys know me, I love my drugstore products, but I really felt like it was time for me to invest in my skin. So I want to show you guys all of the products that I picked up, let you guys know the reasons why, and then hopefully in a month or a couple months I will really start to see some changes in my skin. If you are new here, then welcome. I hope you're here to stay. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell button down below. That way you're notified every single time I upload a video. And if you guys are interested in seeing the products I picked up at the store recently, then just keep watching. The first thing that I want to talk about is the Clarisonic brush head, and this is the skin clearing brush head. So the Clarisonic that I have is the Clarisonic Mia. I haven't used this in a while, and I thought if I'm having a lot of congestion in my skin, then I'm not cleaning it well enough. So I figured that I would give the Clarisonic one more try. So when I purchased the skin clearing brush head, I was a little bit nervous that it would be a little bit too abrasive on my skin, but I've used it only twice already and my skin feels perfectly fine. It didn't feel overly abrasive or anything like that. And because it's marketed towards skin clearing, that is my main concern right now. So I really wanted to give it a shot. It's dense but in a good way, so when I cleaned my skin with this brush head, my skin felt so incredibly clean. The next product that I purchased is a cleansing oil, and this is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Cleansing Oil. I've heard a lot of great things about this cleansing oil, and the reason why I purchased it was because I pretty much wear a full coverage foundation almost every single day, and I have been using only makeup wipes to remove my makeup initially, and part of me felt like it wasn't removing it enough. So I really wanted to purchase a product that would really disintegrate the makeup that's on my skin and really remove it from the surface. I've tried my Cellular waters and those are okay, but I really don't think that they are strong enough to remove a full face of makeup, and like I said, that's normally what I wear on a day-to-day basis. So I really wanted to invest in a cleansing oil, and I've heard tons of great things about this product. Now, like I said, I feel like part of my issue with my skin is the fact that I wasn't cleansing enough or properly. So, of course, I'm going to go in with the cleansing oil, but to me, I don't really trust that to completely cleanse the skin. I think that it's going to remove everything, but then after I remove everything off my skin, that's when I want to go in and really give a real deep cleanse onto my skin. So the cleanser that I bought is the Purity Made Simple One-Step Facial Cleanser. I bought the mini bottle. It comes in this size, it comes in an 8 ounce, and then I believe it comes in an even bigger size than that. This one was only $11 and I've never tried it before, which is why I purchased the smaller size. So all of these products here I've only used for a couple times, including this one, and I thought it was really nice. It has a very subtle but pleasant smell to it, so it doesn't seem like it would be irritating to sensitive skin. After I rinsed my face, my skin felt squeaky clean. So I'm really happy that I purchased this. This also has a great reputation, and hopefully with these two products I won't have an issue of thoroughly cleansing my skin anymore. So just from my previous experience, every single time that I've incorporated a toner into my skincare regimen, I have seen better results with my skin in terms of acne. So I really wanted to incorporate a toner once again into my skincare regimen. So the toner that I purchased is actually the Badescu Glycolic Grapefruit Cleansing Lotion, and I actually got the cleansing lotion by accident. Their glycolic toner looks exactly like this, and I've tried their glycolic toner before and I remember really liking it. So when I saw this, I just grabbed it right away, but little did I know that they were completely sold out of their toner. So I ended up with the cleansing lotion instead, and at first I was a little bit upset, but then I looked at the reviews of this product and it actually has really great reviews. So this is actually a little bit stronger than their glycolic toner. It claims to exfoliate, it claims to relieve congestion, help purify your pores, and then it helps with fine lines and wrinkles. I am 100% on board with all of those claims. The esthetician actually told me that all of these little bumps here is because I don't exfoliate enough. And I'll be one to admit I really don't exfoliate very often, I just cleanse. And she said that's part of my problem, and that's why I'm seeing so many of these little bumps. So because this claims to exfoliate and it claims to relieve the congestion, I'm really happy that I accidentally picked this up, and I definitely will continue to use it. I did read reviews and it says that it can be a little bit harsh for sensitive skin, so if you do have sensitive skin, then I would try the toner instead. So because I'm incorporating the Clarisonic with the skin clearing brush head, which may be a little bit abrasive, and then I'm also using this Badescu cleansing lotion, I thought that maybe my skin would be a little bit overwhelmed. So I wanted to purchase a product that would maybe calm it down a little bit, and this is another Badescu product. This is the facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. Their rose water facial spray is very, very popular, and he recently came out with 2 different scents. There's one with cucumber, and then there's this one with the chamomile and lavender. Because I wanted something that was going to calm down the skin, I felt like the chamomile and the lavender was really going to do that for me. This smells really nice. It is very refreshing when you spray it onto the skin. You can also use these sprays to prime your skin before makeup and also set your makeup afterwards. So this is definitely a multi-purpose facial spray, but I purchased it pretty much solely for skincare. So this is from the Body Shop. This is the Tea Tree Anti-Imperfection Daily Solution, and it actually comes in a dropper bottle, and it's as thin as a serum. It's very, very thin. It has the typical tea tree scent to it, so it's a very herbal, a very strong scent. And basically what this product is going to do is it's going to help treat your acne and prevent acne from coming up towards the surface of your skin during the entire day. It is safe to use in the morning and at night. I really didn't want to be responsible for diluting my own tea tree oil product, so that's why I really like this, because it's already diluted for me and it's already safe for me to use all over my face. Because it is a serum, I thought maybe it'd be a little bit slimy or greasy, but it's not at all. It's very quick absorbing. It's actually a little bit sticky once it dries. It's very early to tell whether the product works, but I definitely like how the product applies. And then the final product that I picked up is a moisturizer, and the moisturizer that I decided to try out is the L'Oreal Hydra Genius, and this is the one made for normal to dry skin. So I really wanted to try this particular product just because it seemed so different to me when it came out. So this has aloe water, it has hyaluronic acid in it. I've been using this for a few days or about a week or so, and every single time that I apply it, my skin has a beautiful sheen to it, and it makes my skin look so healthy. It is very quick absorbing. The smell is very pleasant, very light, which is what I look for in skincare products. It only takes me 1 to 2 pumps of this product to really moisturize my skin. It takes 2 pumps if I want to moisturize my face and down onto my neck. Another thing that I really like about this product is that it comes in a bottle, and it's a very high quality glass bottle at that. So I really like the fact that this product comes in a bottle with a pump just for sanitary purposes, and so far I've really been liking this. So those are all of the products that I picked up from the store. I've never done a skincare routine on my channel, and it's because I've been battling skin issues and I don't really feel like my skin is necessarily perfect quite yet. So I didn't want to really recommend any products to you guys regarding skincare just because I didn't feel like any products were really working in my favor. But I really wanted to kind of explain the reasons why I chose these products, and hopefully they do end up working out for me. Let me know down below in the comment section if you've tried any of these products, what you've heard about them, and if they work for you. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. I am planning on filming a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, so let me know what kind of look you guys would like to see in regards to Valentine's Day. If you want it to be a very sultry, smoky look, or if you want it to be kind of a very light and airy and romantic look. Let me know down below in the comment section. Once again, if you are new here, then welcome. I hope you're here to stay. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell button before you leave. That way you're notified every single time I upload a video. I want to thank you all so much for watching and being here with me, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.